our channel. Today, my mom is going to make this creamy and tasty pasta, white sauce pasta. You want to know how to make it? Here we go.
Welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to make white sauce pasta. The ingredients we need: 1 cup grated carrot, half cup corn, half cup chopped capsicum, some butter, 2 tablespoons wheat flour, few garlic cloves, half cup grated cheese, required amount of salt and pepper. These are the ingredients we need. We need 2 cups of milk for making white sauce pasta. I forgot to mention before. Now I am going to cook the pasta. Take a saucepan, add required amount of water, then let's start boiling. I soak the pasta for 10 minutes, then it will cook faster. Once the water starts boiling, add the required amount of salt and some cooking oil. Then soak pasta. Now you can see the pasta cooked well. Drain the water and rinse in cold water. After rinse in cold water, apply some oil. Toss well and keep it side. Why we are applying oil means then the pasta won't stick together. Now heat a pan and add some oil. Once the oil got heat, add garlic, saute well, then grated carrot, corn, capsicum and required amount of salt. Saute well until it becomes soft. You can add whatever vegetables you like. After 5 minutes, the vegetable cooked well. Keep it side. After making white sauce pasta, at the end we are going to add all the veggies. We will make white sauce. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of butter. Wait until it gets melt. Once the butter got melted, add the wheat flour and whisk well. Now add the milk. Stir continuously to avoid the lumps. After adding the milk, keep whisking until it becomes thick. Now you can see the white sauce slightly thick. At this stage we are going to add the grated cheese. And mix well. After adding cheese, keep in low flame and cook until the sauce coats the ladle. After few minutes, you can see the sauce coated well with ladle. This is the correct stage to add the veggies and pasta. Before that, we are going to add some pepper. And the cooked vegetables. And cooked pasta. Mix well with white sauce. You might be wondering why the white sauce pasta look like yellow color. I added grated carrot, that's why it become yellow. Now you can see the yummy and creamy white sauce pasta is ready. Now the white sauce pasta is ready. I hope you all like it.
Now our creamy and tasty white sauce pasta is ready. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell so you get notified every time we make a new video. See ya.